Okay, so let's take a look at creating data for a given mean. For example, what if we wanted to have 5 different numbers with a mean equal to 7? So let's recall a couple of important things. The mean is the evening or leveling of data. That is, it's the evened out number. So when we first started, we started using blocks and we wanted to even them all out. In reverse, since we're making 5 numbers with a mean equal to 7, we're going to start with 7 and make them uneven. Because by making them uneven, we will find that amount that is 5 different numbers with that mean of 7. First, let's try it with blocks. Then we'll try it with numbers. So this is just a quick little review of what we were doing. So I have my 5 stacks of 7. So now what I can't do is I don't want to just take this block and just get rid of it, because now I've changed the amount of data that's in there. So what I want to do is just move it from here, and let's say move it here. Now this one has only 6, this one has 8. This time what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take 2 blocks, and I need to move them. Now, instead of having 7, I have 5 here, and now I have 9 here. Finally, I could, if I wanted to, I could take some off of this one. I'm going to take 3 off of this one, and I'm going to bring them over here. So now I have, let's take a look. I have 6. I had the 7 and 4 more, so I have 11. I only have 5 here. I have my original 7 plus 2 more, so 9. And I have 4. Now I know their mean is going to be 7 because that's what I started with. So I know their mean is 7. If I wanted to, I could do a quick check. I don't need to do this, but just to demonstrate. So what all I want to do is I just want to put the colors back where they belong. That's why I did them that way. So if I take my 2 purples off of here, I can bring them over. Take my 3 blues off of here, bring them over. And then take my red, and I can bring that over and notice they all even out to 7 again, so their mean is 7. So let me just put those back to where we were, so you can see my different numbers. Now let's try it with numbers and see how it looked. So there's my 7s. Let's think about what I did first. The first thing I did was I subtracted 1 here, and I added it here. So instead of having 7, I have 6, and instead of having 7 here, I have 8. Then I took 2 away from this one, so now I only have 5 here, and I put those 2 here, so now I have 9. And finally I decided, you know what, I'm going to take 3 away from here, so now there's only 4, and I added those 3 to this one here, and now I have 11. So what are the numbers that I have created that have a mean of 7? Well, I have created 4, 5, 6, 11, whoops, 9, and 11. Notice I have listed my numbers in order from least to greatest, separated by commas. That would be my answer right there.